track log to 408.3. With summer temperatures hitting over 30 degrees Celsius, the only way to enjoy the ride and escape the heat is to head out early while it's still cool. This morning I'm continuing my track scouting with close attention to any hidden traps and loose sand. I discovered that this park has had a facelift. It's now very clean and much safer. So good job to whoever is responsible for this. I also had the chance to test the suspension on this stretch, and it feels perfect for my skill level. When switching to another trail, the back wheel slipped out, right here. Luckily I was going slow. Well, I mean, I always go slow, as you can see. Everything is so dry at this time of the year. This area is so beautiful during the spring. Everything is so green. While passing by, I noticed all the wildlife it is in this spot, and I had to take a moment to appreciate it. I'm almost at my destination now. I just have one last patch of sand near this lake. A lot of people like to gather here on the weekends. It is a nice place. Log entry complete.